come on. This is how much rain it's pouring right now in Kuwait. I can't believe this. Thunder is roaring right now. Water is splashing on the ground. I'm just with my mother and this is getting insane. Lightning is flashing. Everything. Streets are flooded. Some houses are on fire. Water is coming. The stairs and everywhere. Lightning and everything. It's not good for me or my phone or my mom. So we have to head back. So yeah. That's how bad weather is in Kuwait. Let's go up the staircase to see a higher view. Ma, we have to stay slow or else we'll slip. Okay. This is how much rain is pouring up on the streets and dropping on our cars. Yes, it may look like, yes, it may look like it's just dropping on the water, but it isn't. It's dropping everywhere and on everything. We see it, and so, yes. Come on, here. We're going up to the highest floor, the 10th floor. Anyone who's listening, we're going up. This is how bad weather is in Kuwait. People are going outside to see what's going on, and now
you can be a good reporter, I think.
Yeah, I know. But right now is an important warning. Anyone who has objects on the stairs, if he does not take them, we'll put them on the street within 2 days because the municipality and the firefight gave a violation of the value of TFN's 1,500 KD. Thank you from the owner. This is the highest point in the building. Have to watch out going down. Feet are still wet. And there's a wet floor. Okay. This is how bad Kuwait has begun today. Streets are flooded. There's traffic. Everybody's panicking. And yes, you might say Kuwait is a horrible place, but in truth, it is a good place. But without all this panic and, yeah. Come on, Ma. Let's go home. Thanks for watching.